Hi guys, this is Ben Trent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to blend wall in text in Photoshop. First click layer option and unhide the first layer. Then right click to select pixels to click. Go to edit to copy to click. Then hide the layer. Then go to select to deselect. Then create new layer. Then close layer option. Then go to filter to vanishing point to click. Then adjust the window. Then draw the points on 4 sides. Then Ctrl+V to paste the image. Then Ctrl+T to adjust and drag on selected area. Then adjust, then enter on keyboard. Then click layer option in first layer right. Click to blending option to click. Then downside underlying layer left side point to drag on right side. Alt plus drag. Then click on OK button. Then look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.